Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris. I'm here with Miss Bambi again.
Hello.
And we are on our way to the food pantry. And believe it or not, it's warm here in Chicago.
Very warm.
So we're going to show you what we get and what we're going to do with it. Up next.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I'm back from the food pantry and I am overwhelmed at what happened at the food pantry today. I didn't know how we were going to have an Easter dinner this year because of different things with my health and whatnot. Look, I don't want to keep you waiting. I'm just so thankful for what happened today. Come on, let me take you on a trip to the Easter food pantry hall. All right. We are going to start, as usual, nieces and nephews, from left to right. Whoa. Now, I've got a big surprise at the end. But let's start off with this bountiful, plentiful produce. I am so over the top. All right, check it out. Green peppers. Ah, yes, the wonderful magic of editing. Now, as I was saying, we have a ton of green peppers. I have bags of them. Look at this. Ripe and ready to go. You know, you can do stuffed green peppers with these, but I'm also going to do a southern dressing, cornbread dressing with green peppers in it. That's going to be good. Now, you know I'm going to do some southern smoky greens. Look at this, collard greens. I've got 2 bags of them. Excuse me. Nice and fresh, ready to go. And check this out. We have 4 heads of romaine lettuce. You know I'm going to do another 7-layer salad and a salad for tonight. Look at this. More green peppers. I'm going to go green pepper crazy. I'm also going to do some peppers on my pizza. Yes, I'm going to do a homemade pizza. And you'll see how I do that with the next ingredients I'll show you in just a minute. Look at this. A bag of Idaho potatoes. I'm doing real mashed potatoes. Does anybody out there do real mashed potatoes anymore? Write down below and let me know, okay? Also, if you got some recipes for stuffed green peppers or a green pepper dish I don't know about, let me know. All right, look at this. Cantaloupe. You can eat this as is or chop it up, freeze it, and make some delicious ice cream or a smoothie. All right. Now, let's take a look at that once again. Look at all this produce. Look at all this produce. Of course, I'm going to share this with my family because now that I have this much, I can have the entire clan over. Good Lord. 2 heads of cabbage. I'm going to do some smoky boiled cabbage or fried cabbage. I haven't made up my mind yet. 2 bags of onions. You can never have too many onions. I've got 2 bunches of bananas. Now, yes, these bananas are ripe, but don't pass by these ripe bananas. They make excellent banana pudding and banana smoothies and banana ice cream, okay? I've got some oranges here. Nice and ripe. We can use these for juicing. We can use them for orange glazes. They are wonderful. We've got some julienne carrots. These are nice, fresh. These are going to go on my salad tonight I'm going to make. And also these cherry tomatoes. These are wonderful. You can also slice these up and use them as sauce over a pasta. Now, speaking of pasta, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese. I don't use the cheese packet. I just use the pasta, and I make my own cheese sauce. You've seen how I make my macaroni and cheese and my smoky macaroni and cheese. Now, 2 bottles of tomato juice. And of course, you see I've already sampled some. Look at this. What does that say? Say it with me, y'all. Comment down below. Low sodium. This hardly has any sodium in it. It is wonderful. If you've got high blood pressure and you miss tomato juice, buy this. I was lucky enough to get this at the food pantry, but get it. Seek it out, okay? That'll help you. Now, we've got some cake mix. I'm going to make a cake for Easter and decorate it for Easter, and I'm going to show you how simple we're going to do it. We're going to buy stuff and just add that for the decorations. I also got some chocolate frosting to go along with that. We got 2 boxes of corn flakes. That's going to be nice for breakfast. Check this out. We've got some Hormel chili with beans, the original. Ooh. Some mixed fruit in a can. I'm still going to show you how I make my mixed fruit pies. Whole kernel corn, no salt added. Love that. We've got some mixed green beans. 2 spaghetti sauce. Oh, that's cool. Some more whole kernel corn. 2 cans of green peas. And a little seafood section. 2 pink salmon. That's nice. And a ton of chunk-like tuna. Now, this is going to be a tuna casserole. You already know. Some cut green beans. No salt added. I got lucky today. Oh, some more chili. Oh, some fruit mix, which I'm assuming is just like mixed fruit, and we can use it for a pie. We have 2 peanut butter and 2 jellies. Now over here, we've got some jambalaya mix, 2 of them. Now I don't know what the salt content is of that, so I'm going to let somebody else who can handle this have it. 2 buttery home-style potatoes. Now I will check the salt content of that as well. And if it's okay, I'll use it, but if not, I'll let somebody else have that can handle the salt. We've got 2 stuffing mixes. I make my own. So once again, all this will probably be donated. Now over here, 2 apple strudels. There were 4, but they got lost. Anyway, 2 packets of spaghetti. We've got some delicious French bread. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Wonderful. These are wonderful. Back here, we have some mini submarine rolls, which would be great for sandwiches. And I got some more of that focaccia bread. I'm going to make this into, guess what? Pizza. Remember I was talking about that? Yes. And I've got the tomato sauce over here to do it. Come on now, let's take a look in a pan at what we got. Shy, get out of that box. Look at all this. Oh, and by the way, did you think we were done? No, we're not done. There's a big surprise right over here. Let's go in Uncle Chris's pantry and see what else they gave us. Nieces and nephews, look at this. Split chicken breast. Delicious. I'm going to use these to make my hot sauce soup. Over here, they gave us a whole young chicken. I'm going to put that in the rotisserie. And the last but not least, a whole turkey. Look at this for Easter. This is truly a blessing. Look at that. This is going to be one of the best holidays ever. I'm giving us a pan of what we got here, nieces and nephews. If you are wondering, like I was wondering, how you're going to do Easter dinner, if you're low on funds, if you're low on food, reach out to the food pantries. Do not be ashamed to reach out for help. Reach out to me. Maybe I can help you. And of course, if you need recipes, reach out to me. And if you're in town, Come on over, sit down. I'm telling you, this has been overwhelming for me. Positivity is catching. So spread positivity. Spread me around. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you see someone that needs a hug or something they need, give it to them. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Tune in to see what I do for Easter and that cake. Ooh, yes. Bye-bye.